Today's manufacturing processes require more speed and efficiency than ever before. But manufacturers are still struggle with data silos, manual paper-based processes, and inaccurate inventory tracking. i-MES is the answer for you. i-MES helps manufacturers optimize production by understanding current conditions on the plant floor. With MES you can connect monitors, controls, manufacturing systems and data flows, beginning with order release until the product delivery stage for finished goods. Automated processes, and let you see and understand every aspect of your operation. The MES can track and gathers accurate real-time data for total production visibility. Provide real-time access to overall equipment effectiveness (OEE). Ensure effective execution and improve production output. i-MES can directly communicate to the responsible persons by email and push notification when it detects any abnormality to the machines. Allows visual work instructions to be deployed electronically. All you need is one solution and reach manufacturing excellence with i-MES.